Alright, what's poppin', yo? So, been kind of a little bit. The car got tuned.
Holy shit! God!
As you seen. Been parked here. Not much going on with the car, you know. But I was getting parts while I was, you know, while the winter was happening. Because I don't have a heater on it, so couldn't drive it. So now, we put you up to date, but I got a differential for it. 2007 Ford Explorer differential. This is a it's a 3.7. That's the gears. Now they do these swaps on these Supras, and I got the brake calipers for it. Got the Mercedes calipers for it. Got the this is for the rear brakes. The parking brake. Those are the shoes and the springs. Other than I got rotors and pads for the front Mercedes swap. Now, as you've seen, I got the Mickeys, which those are the one that ran through the dyno. That's all they seen, just a dyno row and like a trailer, you know, bringing it up in the trailer, whatever. But they haven't seen the street yet. Like I say, not much. You know, still kept it clean. Still got to fix all that wiring over there and all the other stuff. Oh, I got a dash. I got a button dash, basically. Just put it where the climate control goes. So I got a couple of buttons that I gotta set up, like my rolling intellect, my two-step. So they go right over here. It goes mounted behind it, of course. And yeah, that's pretty dope, you know. Be able to, you know, take the reverse lockout solenoid switch and put it over there. These just were me trying to do something, but I'm swapping it up there. You know, clean up the car a little bit, whatever. But got the wheels, got some wheels for it. Got these Mustang wheels. Got them for 300. Just need to get re-chrome, and you know they should be rocking solid. When the car got tuned, the power steering rack, and on my power steering, I didn't have no power steering, so everything was still kind of flunky. Where I'm at right now is with the power steering issue. So I rebuilt it like twice. One side leaked and all this other stuff. Now I drove it for the first time the other day, and that's when I found out that it was leaking worse. The car drove pretty good. Smoke coolant leak, fixed it, you know. Not much. I don't know if I mentioned this too, but one time I was just idling it and my timing tensioner pulley bracket broke. So I got a billet one for that. So everything looked good. The power steering, back to the power steering. So I put it on last night because I was rebuilding it again, and this happened. You see that cracked right there, and it cracked all the way to the back. So behind it. Now, I'm gonna try to weld it. I'm gonna try, but if I can, I'm fucked. Yeah, I'm fucked. So, but besides that, I'm gonna have to probably get another one. Nah, yeah. So the car drove nice. It did pretty good. I drove it to work. Transmission felt good. Tires are a little dry. The car kicked on me, and so either way, they feel dry, man. It just, I don't know, there's no rubber in that tire. Maybe got too much air, but gotta figure that out. Besides that, not much, like I say. So I'm gonna try to get to that bracket again, see if I can weld it. So I'm just gonna take it off how it is, and then I'll see if I put you on the when I try to weld it. But I'm not a professional welder. I'm learning how everybody else is, but I'm gonna try my best to save this. But this is like crazy. Oh shit, keep forgetting. Nah, if I have to eliminate the pump, well, I am eliminating the pump, but I gotta fix that rack. I have the delete kit. So I have come on. So shout out to Drift Motion, you know, Aaron and them people out there doing their thing. Pulley and belt. So this is the parts, if anything. And yeah, so that is out the way. So let me show you how it looks with the power steering pump. So that's how it kind of looks. Pump, you know, crank pulley, tensioner pulley, crank pulley, belt, alternator over there. So it's just gonna run these right here, and that's gonna go. So yep, it's gonna look a little cleaner, and that's gonna go away. All these lines gonna go away. It's gonna look way cleaner, but I gotta fix that rack. That wasn't on the plan. That rack breaking was not part of the plan. So I really gotta try to fix this, man, because if not, then I'm fucked. And yeah, but besides, oh shit, I keep forgetting. So yeah, put no headlights on. So these are, they're LEDs, but the housing, you know, is a better housing and has LEDs or whatever. Get confused with these bitches. Yeah, LEDs. Yeah. So they plug and play. Awesome. I'm on eBay for now. Whatever. But the main thing is taking care of the heart and the steering and the safety things that comes along with it. But yeah, I guess it was a lot, and I'm the one off. But hey, you know, try my best, and let's see how the things go. But this is wild, wild shit. Look, man, this thing was hard for me, beginner. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but at this point, how it came out, it's gonna stay how it came out, because honestly, I'm running this thing dry. You know what I'm saying? I'll put a little fluid, yeah, whatever could hold, it could hold. If not, then whatever. But kind of didn't line up much there, so it's off over there, and it's kind of off over here. Had to grind in here to make it fit, because when I was welding it, it did not level itself out. Well, I tried to level it the best I could, but the whole point is, I'm taking this out of it. Just gonna put it in, put the bearing, slide it in, put these hoses on, find a plug for these two, and just, you know, just cover them up and fucking put the kit, and fuck it. For now, man, I'm not dealing with this like that. This give me such much headache, and dude, it's stressing. This shit is stressing. Building a fucking car is fucking stressful. This shit is not easy. Like, all this shit you gotta do, you gotta think about it, plan it, spend the money. Might go wrong, do it again, keep trying. It's like, oh my god, dude. I know why people gave up so fast on race cars, but y'all gonna see mine on the road. I haven't got no video of it on the road yet, because I was just testing it. I'm about to finish up out of here soon. You know, and tomorrow I want to finish this up, run the rack dry for now. You know what? I'm not stressing it for now. The thing already broke. Try to fix it the best I could. That's all I could do for now. It bolts on, it slides in. Then after that, then I just want to drive it. You know, car meets are starting to pop up and shit. So for now, I just want to drive it how it is and see what's up with it. Time that I was making the catch can, I did the wrong one. That catch can that I got is for a different type of setup, so can't use this. This is the wrong setup, so I was having trouble fitting the original one that I had, but I made some brackets of aluminum, you know, right there, back there, and we should be running good soon. So it's the next day, the next night. So got some shit done. So put it back together, capped it off, and eliminating the pump today. So let's get that out the way. Put this together, man. Cause honestly, I'm not dealing with that anymore. I'm really like just want it to be done. But we'll find another way some other time along the road. I mean, if anything else. But for now, that's what we're gonna do. So just gonna put it on, and I don't think it's important to see that, but just put in literally the rack. But I'll show you when I take the pump and the other stuff. Yeah. So let me put this on real quick.